previous class, what we discussed? We discussed about the story of Oliver Twist, right? So in the previous class, what I told you, what you learned from the video? Yes. So Oliver is an urban, so he is working in the workhouse. So in that workhouse, some more people also there. So what happened in the previous class? So the boys were everyone have a porringer. I already told you the meaning of porringer. What I said, the porringer means a small bowl with a handle, right? So in that, the person who is giving the food, so he is in the white waistcoat, right? So we are also having waistcoat. So the person who is giving the food to the boys, okay, he is in the white waistcoat and he is giving the food. It is very little amount. So that's why there is no need of washing the bowl, right? So all the members in the workhouse were very hunger. Okay. So after that today the continuation of the story. Just listen carefully. What happened? Boys has generally excellent appetites. Oliver Twist and his companions suffered the tortures of slow starvation for 3 months. So what happened? Actually, they planned for 1 year, but after 3 months, what happened? They are not giving enough food to the boys. Okay, so what happened? Boys had generally excellent appetite. Oliver Twist and his companions suffered the tortures of slow starvation for 3 months. At last, they got so voracious. See, voracious means greedy and uncontrollable. See, voracious means greedy and uncontrollable. Why they are uncontrolled? Why? Because they are feeling very hunger. Why? Because the person who is in front white waistcoat, so the person is not giving enough food to the boys. That's why they feel very hungry. So, and while with the hunger, that one boy who was starved for his age and hadn't been used to that sort of thing, hinted darkly to his companions that unless he had another basin of gruel every day, he was afraid he might some night happen to eat. The boy who slept next to him, who happened to be a weakly youth of tender age, he had a wild hunger eye and they unquestionably believed him. A council was held. Last were cast who should walk up to the master after supper that evening and ask for more, and it fell to Oliver Twist. So what is said? In a big hall, so that is made with the stone. I said no in the previous class. So in that house who are living the boys, so in that one boy, so he is very tall. He is very tall as compared to other boys. So what he said, he hinted darkly to his companions. Companions means who are living with him. ఓకే, అంటే తనతో పాటు ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళతోని చెప్తున్నాడు, హింట్ ఇస్తున్నాడు. ఏమని? unless he had another basin of gruel. What he is saying? So all the members have one was afraid. Afraid means భయపడ్డాడు. Why? Because he might some night happen to eat the boy who slept next to him. Next to him అంటే తన పక్కన ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో అతను తినేస్తాడేమో అని చెప్పాడు. Who happened to be a weakly youth of tender age. Okay, nothing but who is very tall in the group of boys. Okay, a council was held. Council nothing but ప్రేరణ. Okay, మాట్లాడడం. ఓకేనా? సో ఏమని మాట్లాడారు? Lots were cast who should walk up to the master after supper that evening. So what we are saying in the for example morning, what we are taking the meal we are calling as breakfast. In the afternoon session what we call lunch. Very good. Next in the evening, nothing but in the night what we are taking the meal, so we are calling that as supper. So what is saying? So walk up to the master after supper that evening and ask for more. Why? Because so what they decided, so who is giving the food, so we have to walk up to the master. Master దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఏమనాలి అంటున్నాడు? ask for more అంటే ఇంకా కావాలి అని అడగమంటారు. Why? Because so which they are giving the food that is not enough to the boys, so that's why they are feeling very hungry, so that's why they decided to ask for more food, and it fell to Oliver Twist. So in that boys also Oliver also one of the member, he is also an helper. So the evening arrived, the boys took their places. The master in his cook's uniform stationed himself at the copper. His father's assistants ranged themselves behind him. The gruel was served out and a long grace was said over the small amount of food. The gruel disappeared. The boys whispered to each other and winked at Oliver while his next neighbors nudged him. So what they decided, we have to ask for more food. So with whom they are asking? The master who is in the white mascot, so who is serving the food. Okay, so the evening arrived అంటే ఈవినింగ్ అయింది. తర్వాత ఏమైంది? The boys took their places. ఎవరి ప్లేసెస్ వాళ్ళు నిలబడ్డారు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేశాడు? The master in his cook's uniform stationed himself at the copper. So in that copper bowl only he has the food, and that food only he is serving to all boys, right? So he served the food. So at that time the boys are discussing with each other and nudged another boy. అంటే ఇలా నువ్వు చెప్పు అంటే నువ్వు చెప్పు అని ఇలా అనుకుంటూ ఉన్నారు. Child as he was desperate with hunger and reckless. Reckless means, see here. What is the meaning of reckless? Do you know? Yes, reckless means acting without thinking about the consequences or danger. So the boy was reckless, nothing but acting without thinking about the consequences or danger. If I ask what will be going on, so what is the danger? So he is not thinking about that. ఒకవేళ నేను అడిగితే ఏం జరుగుతుందో అనే భయం అనేది లేకుండా the boy was asking, and with the suffering. Why? Because why he is suffering? He is suffering with a hunger, right? So అంటే తన ఆకలితో బాధపడుతున్నాడు. సో ఆ ఆకలి ఉండడం వల్ల సో అతను ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? he is simply asking, so without thinking about the consequences, nothing but danger. and he rose from the table. Rose from the table means తను లేచి నిలబడేమో. Okay, rose from the table and advancing to the master, facing and spoon in hand, said, somewhat alarmed at his own temerity. What is mean by temerity? Do you know? Yes, temerity means action showing disrespect. That is likely to offend others. So, temerity means action showing disrespect. So, respect means gaurav. Disrespect means gaurav ఇవ్వకపోవడం. So, that is likely to offend others. అంటే మిగతా వాళ్ళకు చూసి ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ ఎవరితో మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు? He is talking with the master who is giving the food to them. So, he is talking with the person. So, he is not giving the respect. He is disrespecting the person and talking like this. What he is saying? Please sir, I want some more. So, in that words he is asking in the pleasing manner but not showing the respect. Okay. So, what he asked? Please sir, I want some more. So, this is only they talked, no. So, they want some more food. So, by the person, the boy is asked, what he asked? I want some more. So, at that time, the person who is in the white waistcoat, what he said? So, how is the master? So, here master means who is giving the food, that person only. Here the master. So, the master was a fat, healthy man. How he is? Very fat and healthy. Okay, very healthy when we are taking regularly and time to time food, then we are looking very healthy. So, the person also very healthy and fat, but he turned very pale. Pale nothing but ఎలా ఉన్నాడు అంటే, పేల్ అంటే నాన్న ముసలితనం అనిపిస్తుంది కదా, వెరీ ఓల్డ్ అన్నమాట, వాలిపోయినట్టుగా. ఓకే, పేల్ మీన్స్ వాలిపోయినట్టుగా. చూడడానికి ఆ పర్సన్ ఎలా ఉన్నాడు? ఫ్యాట్ ఉన్నాడు, హెల్తీగా ఉన్నాడు, బట్ వెరీ పేల్. ఓకే, he gazed in astonishment at the small rebel for some seconds. So he never heard the words until the 3 months. 3 months లో ఎవరు కూడా ఇలాంటి వర్డ్స్ అనలేదు. So suddenly the boy said, so I want some more. So when he heard the words, so he astonishment at the small rebel for some second, కొన్ని సెకండ్ల వరకు తను అలానే ఉండిపోయాడు. And then clung for support to the copper. ఇలా ఆ కాపర్ బౌల్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అక్కడ ఇలా ఉండిపోయాడు. And the assistants were paralyzed with wonder, nothing but they shocked. Why? Because some of the boy he raised his voice. So that's why they paralyzed, అంటే షాకింగ్ మోడ్ లో ఉండిపోయాడు అన్నమాట. The boys with fear, the remaining boys were very fear. Why? Because they are thinking about the master. ఏమైనా అంటాడేమో అన్న భయంతో మిగతా బాయ్స్ అందరూ కూడా చూస్తున్నారు. And why? said the master at length in a faint voice. So ఆ బాయ్ అలా అడగగానే, ఐ వాంట్ సమ్మర్ అని అడగగానే ఆ మాస్టర్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఏమన్నాడు? ఏంటి? బాయ్ said the master at length, చాలా లెంతీగా, అంటే ఏంటి అని అడిగాడు. Please sir, replied Oliver, I want some more. So the boy, who is the boy here? Who said the words I want some more? Oliver only. So Oliver only asking the person. So Oliver replied. What he replied? I want some more. Again he is asking. ఏమని అడుగుతున్నాడు? నాకు ఇంకా కావాలి. The master Oliver's head with a ladle. Next, pinion him in his arm and shrieked aloud for the breedy. సో ఏం చేశాడంట, అలా అడగగానే ఆ మాస్టర్ ఏం చేశాడంట, ఏం చేశాడు, సో he blow at Oliver's head with the ladle. సో ladle అంటే తెలుసు కదా, సో pinion him in his arm, ఇలా కదలకుండా పట్టేసుకున్నాడంట. And shrieked about for the breeding. Okay, what he said, సో ఇలా టైట్ గా పట్టేసుకున్నాడంట. The board was sitting in a solemn conclave when Mr. Bumble rushed into the room in a great excitement. So here Mr. Bumble is the person of the that hall, that organization, and dressing the gentleman in the high chair and said, Mr. Limpkins, I beg your pardon, sir, Oliver Twist has asked for more. సో అలా అడగగానే ఏం చేశాడు, ద మాస్టర్, సో ఆ మాస్టర్ ఇంకా హెడ్ ఉంటారు కదా, తన పైన వాడు ఉంటాడు కదా పెద్ద ఆఫీసర్, అతను ఎవరు అంట, ఎవరు, మిస్టర్ లింకిన్స్. సో ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ మిస్టర్ బంబుల్ ఆ రూమ్ లోకి రస్ట్ ఇంటు ద రూమ్, రస్ట్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఆ రూమ్ లోకి వచ్చాడో అప్పుడు అతను ఏమంటున్నాడో, సెడ్ మిస్టర్ లింకిన్స్ ఐ బెగ్ యువర్ పార్డన్ సర్. పార్డన్ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఇన్ ఏ రెస్పెక్ట్ వే, నేను మీకు నమస్కరిస్తున్నాను అని చెప్పి ఏమంటున్నాడో, సర్ అలివర్ ట్విస్ట్ హ్యాస్ ఆస్క్డ్ ఫర్ మోర్. సర్ అలివర్ ఇంకా కావాలి అని అడుగుతున్నాడు అని అడగానే, సో అక్కడ ఏమన్నాడు, దేర్ వాజ్ ఎ జనరల్ స్టార్ ఆన్ హారర్ వాజ్ డిపిక్టెడ్ ఆన్ ఎవ్రీ ఫేస్. ఏంటి ఇంకా అడుగుతున్నారా అని హారర్ గా చూడడము ప్రతి ఒక్కరి ఫేస్లలో ఆ హారబిలిటీ అనేది కనిపిస్తుంది. ఫర్ మోర్ సెడ్ మిస్టర్ లింకిన్. ఏంటి ఇంకా కావాలా అని లింకిన్ అనగానే, కంపోజ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ బంబల్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్ మీ distinctly. Do I understand that he asked for more after he had eaten the supper allotted by the dietary? సో అతను ఏమన్నాడు, మనం డైటరీ అనేది వాట్ ఎవర్ ద గివెన్ ద ప్లాన్, సో ఆ ప్లాన్ ప్రకారం మనం ఫుడ్ ఇస్తున్నాం కదా, సో ఈవెన్ దో అలా ఇచ్చినప్పటికీ కూడా అతను సప్పర్ తిన్నా కూడా ఇంకా అడుగుతున్నాడా అని అడిగాడు. సో దెన్ హీ రిప్లైడ్, yes sir. సో at that time nobody argued against the prophetic gentleman's opinion. ఓకే, ఆ బాయ్ ఇంకా ఆకలితో ఉన్నాడేమో, సో లెట్ హిమ్ గివ్, సో అతనికి ఇంకా ఇవ్వండి అని చెప్పడమే కాకుండా ఇంకేం చేశాడు, అండ్ యానిమేటెడ్ డిస్కషన్ టుక్ ప్లేస్. దాని గురించి వాట్ ఎవర్ ద బాయ్ ఆస్క్డ్ ఫర్ ద ఫుడ్, సో దే డిస్కస్డ్ అబౌట్ ద టాపిక్ అండ్ Oliver was ordered into instant confinement. What is the meaning of confinement? Confinement. Do you know confinement? Yes, confinement means in a room or prison. Do you know prison? You also you know room, but prison means jail. Okay, so how they are feeling, they are feeling like prison, they are in the prison. So Oliver also feeling like that, and here Oliver was ordered into instant confinement, and a bell was next morning pasted on the outside of the gate, offering a reward of 5 pounds to anybody who would take Oliver Twist off the hands of the parish. Parish means see, parish means a small area, that has a local government. GVT, Nana, I am not sure writing the full spelling. See, GVT is a short form of government. See, I am writing the spelling government. Okay, so parish means a small area that has a local government. So these people also have the local government. So what they did, so they offered a reward of 5 pounds to anybody. So అక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళలో ఎవరికైనా కూడా 5 pounds ఇస్తున్నారు. దేనికి? Who would take Oliver Twist of the hands of parish? So Oliver Twist. So who would take the hands of parish? సో వాళ్ళకి 5 pounds ఆఫర్ చేయడమే కాకుండా ఇంకేం చేస్తున్నారు? The twist was offered to any man or woman who wanted an apprentice to any trade, business or calling. అంతేకాదు బిజినెస్ చేసుకోవాలన్న వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఈ ఆఫర్ ఇవ్వడము జరిగింది. అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి బేటా, ద వన్ బాయ్ హూ ఇస్ హీ అలీవర్ ఓన్లీ. సో ఆ అలీవర్ అడగడం వల్లనే కదా వాళ్ళకి ఫుడ్ వచ్చింది. అండ్ హీ ఆఫర్డ్ సమ్ మోర్ 5 pounds ఆల్సో హీ ఆఫర్డ్ కదా. అంటే బిజినెస్ కానీ ఇంకా ఏదైనా వ్యాపారం కానీ చేసుకోవడానికి వాళ్ళు ఆఫర్ కూడా ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటిది, మనం ఏదైనా కూడా ధైర్యంగా మనము మాట్లాడగలిగినప్పుడే దేన్నైనా ఎదుర్కోగలుగుతాము, ఏదైనా సక్సీడ్ అవ్వగలుగుతాం. సో నెవర్ అఫ్రైడ్ టు టాక్. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడు కూడా భయపడకూడదు, భయపడకుండా మాట్లాడాలి. ఏదైనా సమస్య వచ్చినప్పుడు మనము డేర్గా ఎదుర్కోవాలి. సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ లెసన్ వి లెర్న్ అబౌట్ ద Oliver's twist. ఓకే.